You racing still?
I'm trying to get out from the start. I've got in underneath that.
I thought you were going to run it around.
Yeah, it's trying to granny it.
Oh, here's Daryl doing cartwheels. Oh!
What happened with the main there?
Oh, okay.
Back up after this.
I see. You right for the next one? Yeah, you can do that, do that. Yeah, that one.